For a long period of time, I was having sinus infection after sinus infection. My primary care physician said, "Claire, I can't help you. You need specialists." She said, "I highly recommend Dr. Lisa Liberatore." What Dr. Liberatore recommended was doing an MRI so that she could really see exactly what was going on or not going on, in this case, with my sinuses. I have the follow-up meeting with her where she shows me the MRI, and she said, "This is supposed to be all black." And mine was all gray. And she said, "What that means is your sinuses are totally blocked, which means that nothing's going to be able to help you, any kind of medication, because it can't even get to where it needs to get." Once I was diagnosed with the sinus blockage, within 2 weeks, the procedure was scheduled. It was an in-hospital procedure, and from arrive to leave, it was about 3 hours. The actual procedure was about an hour and a half. And again, the best experience in terms of she greeted me before I went under the anesthesia, explained to me again what she was going to do, was there right when I came out of recovery, making sure I was okay. And the follow-up visits for this type of procedure were terrific. Again, everything she told me was going to happen happened. So wonderful managing of expectations. And I'm happy to let you know that I have not had a sinus infection since. They said it's probably one of the best things I've ever done in my life. One of the things that happened for me after I had the sinus surgery was, well, one, I immediately started feeling better. And I hadn't been feeling well for a long time because of having sinus infection after sinus infection. So once Dr. Liberatore, I'll say, healed me, I started realizing I had been neglecting kind of my life and some other parts of my life. And I started talking with Dr. Liberatore and also Dr. Leota about, well, what can I do to make it all work on the outside? What I love about both Dr. Liberatore and Dr. Leota, they will not do anything they don't think makes sense, even if a patient really wants it, which I have the utmost respect and then some for people who realize, hey, we're working with people and some things, need to stay the way they are. So another important thing about building trust and belief in the people you're working with for these type of procedures. Again, it's a caring, it's a kind of sizing up each person's natural beauty, and yes, what are some things that can enhance someone and give them that fresh look. I've had laser treatment, filler, Botox. Of course, the unfortunate thing as you get older, collagen stops producing, so I've been on the receiving end for fractional treatment to stimulate collagen, and it all ties in and works well with if you're feeling good, and that started with my sinus procedure, and some of these freshening things, it's I feel I can take on the world, and just love the feel that I have, the look that I have, and highly recommend it. I would, if anyone I know is suffering from anything like I was suffering from, I would say run, do not walk to see Dr. Liberatore, as she's not only great at what she does, she's the whole package. She's great at what she does. She's compassionate, is wonderful in terms of explaining things as from a doctor to a regular person from an understanding standpoint, and really cares. And I think that's probably one of the best things about not only meeting her, knowing her, and being connected to her practice.